Good morning. This is Linda Fetter with Force Real Estate. It's January 24th, 2012. We're going to make lentil burgers today, an on-the-go food for a quick, healthy snack you can freeze or take with you. These are from the book by Pulde, P-U-L-D-E. It's called Keep It Simple, Keep It Whole. This is a delicious lentil burger. Here are the items that you will need. 1 cup of dry red lentils. Now these need to be well rinsed. They're a little difficult as you pour them in to rinse them. They kind of clump together, but just keep rinsing them until the water runs clear. You're going to put that rinsed lentils into 2½ cups of salted water and let them boil for about 20 minutes. And also you're going to need 1 onion. You're going to dice that. 1 carrot. 1½ cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I do love Bragg's amino acids. Little salt and pepper. Those are your ingredients to start the lentil burgers. This is our step 2. We now have the lentils in our pot. They're going to boil for about 20 minutes, stirring them occasionally. Then on the other pot, we've got our onion and our carrot. We're going to saute them in water until they are nice and golden brown. Remember to use the dark yellow and brown onions, as they are more nutritious than your white sweet. But if you are using that in hand chopping, maybe wait to put your mascara on, or it will be in your pot with it. Once these saute and are golden brown, then we're going to add them to the pot of lentils. We're going to then finish off with a little black pepper, our tablespoon of soy sauce, and our oats. Going to mix that up, and that's how we make the burgers. We're going to turn our oven on to 375 degrees and put your parchment paper lined in the cookie sheet, and we're going to make little round lentils. You can make large burgers, you can make small burgers, just depends on what you want. If you want to use the large burgers for a sandwich on a bun with lettuce and tomato and onions, that's great too. I love to take them in. Here's our lentils now, nearly thickened up. You want them to absorb that water so it begins to look more like a burger paste, as you can see in there. Getting those lentils broken down. Then we have our onions and our carrots browned and softened. We're going to add that to the lentil mixture, our oats, soy sauce, and a little salt and pepper, and then we're going to make our rounds, big or small burgers. Our beeper just says that we've got our oven up and ready to go. It's been preheating to 375. So here are our little lentil burgers. Now these make about 24 what I would call small coins or dollar-sized coins, whichever. It will also make about 8 to 10 larger burgers. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put those in our preheated oven at 375. And we're going to put the timer on for about 20 minutes. Then we're going to look at them. If they're golden brown on the bottoms, we will flip them over. And remember, when you're making those patties, make for sure that you are making them warm right out of that pot. Might burn your hands, but just be a little careful. Here's the lentil burgers. We flip them over. As you can see, they're a little crusty on the top. That's 20 minutes. And then I flip them over and cook about another 10 minutes so that they're crispy and brown on both sides. Then my favorite dressing over them is Annie Chung's Korean barbecue sauce. You can use any barbecue sauce you might like, but we found that Korean barbecue sauce is really delicious. And then once they cool, just pop them into baggies. You can freeze them or take as many as you want.